Adding a domain to A2 Hosting is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to set up your domain. Log into your A2 Hosting account. Visit the A2 Hosting website and log into your account using your credentials. Access the control panel. Once logged in, navigate to the cPanel to manage your hosting settings. Locate the domain section. In the control panel, find the domain section. This may be labeled as add-on domains or simply domains, depending on your setup. Add an add-on domain. Click on add-on domains. In the provided fields, enter the new domain name you wish to add. A2 Hosting will automatically fill in the subdomain and document root fields. Create a new directory. If you want the domain to have its own directory, you can create one or use the default directory provided. Complete the process. Click on the Add Domain button to finish. You should see a confirmation message indicating that your domain has been successfully added. Update DNS settings. Lastly, ensure your domain's DNS settings point to A2 Hosting's name servers for the domain to work properly.